Now he's going to do the other wing. He's filling it to the, there's tabs inside the wing, so he's filling it up to the tabs. That one looks like it's good there. Alright, he's done. Alright, before start checklist, passenger brief, we got no passengers, seatbelts are on, air vents should be closed, we got air vent closed, air vent is closed, fire extinguisher is behind me, exits, doors, windows latched, so we got latched there, windows latched, good. Alright, we got mixture, full rich, carb heat is off, throttle, 1/4 inch, avionics off, we got off avionics, lights off, circuit breakers, check circuit breakers in, checking circuit breakers are all in, key is in ignition, parking brake set, parking brake is set, fuel selector tank, I'm going to use the right tank to start off with, priming, start checklist, open up my window here, priming, we are cold, so we're going to prime 4 times, if needed with throttle, 2 fast pumps while starting, so primer. One, 2, 3, 4. Primer's locked to the right. Beacon is on. Master's on. Electric fuel pump is on. Clear, prop. One shot of primer. Primer's in and locked to the right.
Speaking to you now from the Alpha Kilo production studio. We're in post-production editing right now, and I'm finding out that the GoPro camera just is not very happy with the way the engine sounds. I had a lot of mic clicks, so what I had to do is I had to tweak the audio so the mic clicks aren't annoying, and I looked into getting an interface with the GoPro Hero 12 that I can plug into the headset, and we can hear the ATC and myself speaking. So that's on order, and so the next video we're going to implement that. So I didn't want to completely scrap the footage because there was some good shots flying to Oxford and then to Bridgeport, which was just a phenomenal experience for me, and I still have a smile from ear to ear on my face from the journey. So we had flight following, and they were nice. Bradley was nice. Actually, we were on with New York Approach, and they were in a good mood today, and they treated us very, very well, and didn't give us a hard time for our little tiny Piper Warrior here up at 3,000 feet. There was some turbulence en route, nothing too major, but any new passengers would have been a little surprised by it. And, but it's typical in a light general aviation airplane. So I'm obtaining the ATIS information and talking to ground, and if I can recall, I requested flight following on the ground here, and Brainerd Ground was able to give me a transponder code and all that good stuff. So they took care of me on the ground there. So when I took off, I just had to switch over frequencies, and they do the whole frequency change approved thing, which is great. I actually love flight following. I think it's very important, and they actually helped me out. I didn't see any traffic. They directed me away from the traffic en route a few times, even to Oxford, while practicing this route. So I put about 5 flights in so far in February. I think I got maybe 8 hours of flight time this month. So my goal is 5 to 8 hours per month to continue my experience, and then eventually bring some passengers up. And right now I'm over 140 hours right now in my logbook. Been flying since 2001. Took a break there, but I'm getting back into it, and let's get some more of this content for you guys. Now, one of the issues that I had was the GoPro. I put it on my head, and the angle was too high, and so the footage, if I'm looking straight ahead, the footage is basically this visor, which there's no way for me to tell until I'm in the editing room. So I've learned from that, and so the next videos we'll just keep getting better. But I'm not going to do the whole like, subscribe thing, because it just annoys me. So you guys come and go as you please. I'm starting out, so make some more of these videos for you, and just wait for part 3. What I'll do is I'll piece together some of the footage that is usable, and just try to make it some sort of transitioning, but you really can't hear me talking on the comms. It's just going through some nice engine hum, and maybe I'll make some production video out of some of the shots. It was a beautiful day to fly. So thanks again. Bye.